Once your reading list has been completed, you are free to edit this at any point throughout the year. If you'd like to remove an item, simply go to the item menu and choose Delete. This will immediately remove the item from your list. If an item on your list is required reading, you can add a tag by clicking on the item to open the details, clicking in the tag box and choosing the essential tag. This will inform the library that additional purchases may need to be made and will also tell your students that the book needs to be read. Another great feature of the system is you are now able to format your student notes. Once you've added a note to an item, you can use bold, italic and underline. You can also add hyperlinks to item notes to provide additional information sources. The note will display in full on the student view and hyperlinks will open in a new window.